users and dear followers. Today we are going to be talking about Euroken Euro55-4G+G. Now, this is one of our best cookers, and this cooker is all gas, no electric component for this one. I want to start by explaining the top part as we move downwards. Now, if you look at this cooker, the first thing that you notice that it has a stainless steel worktop. When you're cooking, sometimes we have spillages all over. Now, owing to the fact that it is stainless steel, it's going to be very easy to clean and wipe off. Now, as you have seen, this gas cooker is all gas. There is no hot plate on top. So I would like to explain about all of these gas burners using one. The first feature of our gas burners is that all of them have this enamel coated burner cap. It is enamel coated to reduce corrosion. Very easy to clean because it is smooth and it distributes heat evenly throughout. The second component of this gas burner is the part we call the BX burner. This is the highest quality of burners that is in the market. Others are not aluminium like this one. Now, another standard that I would like to show you guys is that all of these burners have what we call the jet valve. The jet valve is this very small opening. This one is the biggest. It's 0.86 millimeters. This is the biggest one. All of these ones are lower than that. This is 0.6, and this one is 0.82. That one is also 0.82. Now, the jet valve. What the advantage of the jet valve is that it allows a very small amount of gas to get into the BX burner. All of them have this jet valve, so you're not going to be wasting gas. That is one very big advantage. Now, another one is this lighter right here. When you use this lighter, it means that you don't have to use any matches. No matches. You just have to turn on the knob like that. This one is uses auto ignition. The lighter uses auto ignition. That's why you hear that tap sound. Our electric counterparts have something called pulse ignition, which is much different than this. Okay, now moving on to the next part of this cooker is the control panel. Before we go to the control panel, as you have noticed, our cooker has a very sleek glass top. This is one of the differences that differentiates our cookers from industry standards. Some of those other brands out there, you find this part is metallic, but this one is sleek glass, very smooth and elegant. Okay, now that we have finished the top part, I wanted to show you this is the control panel. This is very straightforward. This is not complicated. These two knobs right here are used to control the top burners, and this knob right here is used to control this oven right here. Now I want to show you about the oven. First thing, this oven is a 55-liter capacity oven. This oven is a 55-liter capacity oven, and it comes with 2 racks inside it. And the difference between this one and our electric counterpart is that this is not a double oven heater, it's a single oven heater. The heater is right here at the bottom, so this one differentiates it from the electric counterpart. The electric counterpart has 2 heaters, one at the top and another one at the bottom. Yeah, and another thing I don't talk about much is our double glass for the oven. The oven is a double glass door, one in the inside and another one outside. This glass helps to reduce radiation from leaving the cooker, the oven. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our video about Euro 55 4G all gas.